Claude Code is a command line tool, so there's no app bundle you can simply drag to the trash. Even after running the uninstall command, leftover files may still remain on your Mac. In this video, you'll find 2 ways to completely remove Claude Code: a quick method using App Cleaner and Uninstaller, and manual, step-by-step removal. Both methods apply to the native installer version. Uninstall Claude Code automatically. App Cleaner and Uninstaller automatically finds the app and related files. First, quit Claude Code and make sure its processes are closed. Then open App Cleaner and Uninstaller. Wait while the tool scans your applications. Locate the Anthropic AI group and select Claude. Click Remove to delete Claude Code only. If you also want to uninstall the Claude Desktop app and all related components, select the entire Anthropic AI group instead. Click Remove. Review the list of associated files and confirm removal. And that's it. Delete Claude Code manually with Finder. First, quit Claude Code completely. Open Activity Monitor, search for Claude. Select any Claude processes. Click the X button to force quit. Then, to remove the Claude Code app files, open Finder. Select Go from the menu bar, then go to Folder and enter ~library/application support/Claude/Claude Code. Right-click the Claude Code folder and move it to bin. Next, in Finder, click Go and go to Folder. Check the following locations. You can find the list in the description below. Once everything is removed, empty the bin to fully clear Claude Code from your Mac. You can remove Claude Code quickly with App Cleaner and Uninstaller, or manually through Finder. Choose the method you prefer.